Welcome back to English at Home.
Cooking. Conversation.
Lena, what are you doing?
I prepare a surprise for Mom. I cook a special dinner.
I help you. I help you.
Okay, peel the potatoes and cut them in slices. Okay, peel the potatoes and cut them in slices.
Ready. And now? Ready. And now?
Wash the fish and put it in the tray. Wash the fish and put it in the tray. Now the onion and the carrots. Now the onion and the carrots. Cut them in slices and put everything in the tray. Cut them in slices and put everything in the tray.
Do I put the potatoes in the tray also? Do I put the potatoes in the tray also?
Yes, everything. Yes, everything. Now we put it inside the oven. Now we put it inside the oven. Heat it and wait. That's the main course. Heat it and wait. That's the main course.
And the appetizers? And the appetizers?
I fry mushrooms with garlic. I fry mushrooms with garlic. And chili peppers. And chili peppers.
Are they spicy? Are they spicy?
A little bit. Please chop the garlic. A little bit. Please chop the garlic.
Ready. Do I put oil in the saucepan? Ready. Do I put oil in the saucepan?
Yes, oil and everything else. Yes, oil and everything else. Now we need a side dish. Now we need a side dish.
I like pasta. I like pasta.
Good. Put some water to boil then. Good. Put some water to boil then.
Cook this one, it's delicious. Cook this one, it's delicious.
Put them into the boiling water. Put them into the boiling water. And wait 12 minutes. And wait 12 minutes.
Do I stir it? Do I stir it?
Yes, do it. Yes, do it. And as a dessert, I have this. And as a dessert, I have this. A delicious chocolate cake. A delicious chocolate cake.
Does it bake in the oven? Does it bake in the oven?
Yes, but wait, the fish is still raw. Yes, but wait, the fish is still raw.
Sometime later.
All right. Everything is ready. All right. Everything is ready.
Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready.